how to enable free chat in Among Us. If you want to enable free chat in your Among Us, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have your stable internet connection. And firstly, go ahead and completely delete the Among Us application from your device. And then open the App Store or your Play Store and then reinstall the Among Us application. After that, go ahead and launch your Among Us. After that, you'll be prompted to enter a date of birth. So go ahead and enter the date of birth and make sure it is set to 13 years or older. Note that you cannot change the age from in-game once it is set. So reinstalling is the only way unless you sign in. The next fix is if you see the offline mode option message, that means that you're not signed in. So go ahead and sign in yourself, the pop-up that appears, or you can also tap on the account option, which will be on the left side. You can tap on my account and then tap on account and log in to your account. Log in with your Google Play, Apple ID, or Facebook. The next step is to go ahead and enable free chat in settings. So tap on the settings, which is on the bottom left, and then you will have a data option. Tap on data. Make sure free chat or quick chat is selected and not the quick chat only. And if the issue is still not fixed, then make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. If the issue is still not fixed, you can try to restart the app or simply restart your device, as this often forces the server to reconnect. So these were a few solutions, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.